Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samurai and I make videos, everything about NFTs. It's my first English video. I hope you understand me. I think it's very urgent that you see how you can save gas fees for each mint with the MetaMask. Yes, in this video I show you the settings and you can keep a better for the gas fees every time you use MetaMask. If you are interested, please stay and enjoy. Now I show you the settings I make in MetaMask, in the browser extension and Google Chrome. I log in my MetaMask burner wallet, then and at the right corner here press on the picture. Then you have the settings. Here press the mouse and then go to advanced settings, scroll down, and here check the advanced gas control. It must on. If it off, click on it and then it's on. Go back. You don't must save the settings. This go automatic. Then on the bottom here press the experimental. Scroll down to this enable enhanced gas fee UI, and this is standard off. Then click to on. Okay, then go back. You can close the MetaMask settings. Now I show you how the settings will work here in OpenSea. I go to a project I'm interested here in low-fee skylines, the number 1405, and the price is very cheap. 0.001 is $1.69 here. Then I press the buy now button. The MetaMask I have logged in and is connected, so the funds must be okay. So again press buy now. Now you see here low-fee skylines for 0.001 Ethereum. Then I press the complete purchase, and now the MetaMask windows must pop up. So I slide the windows here at the left side. Now you see the standard gas fees. Here MetaMask show me for the mint is $11.71 and NFT is $1.71. Very crazy. You have a total sum of $13.42. Okay, this is very crazy. Then now you see the advanced edit settings. I hope you see this here. Then press advanced. Now you see the turtle, the fox and the ape. The turtle is the cheapest, then the fox, and the ape is expensive, but the mint time is here very quick. If you hit the ape, then the mint is up to 15 seconds. But if many people mint at the same time and pay more gas fees, then the time is going up. This is no guarantee here. And the suggested option here at the side is here like 15 seconds, and the gas fees are 0.00859 Ethereum for the mint. And you see here the gas fees are 11.69, and then I go to advanced. Now I take the turtle, wait, and now you are on $4.06. You save over 60% here. Yes, you must wait 30 seconds or 1 minute or 2 minutes, but you save $6-7 for this mint. It's very crazy. Yeah, if you want NFT is very hyped and many people want this at the same times, looks like other sea land also, then the people pay very high gas fees to be the first in the minting. I hope you enjoy my first English video, and you are welcome to give me a like and a subscription. If you don't want to miss anything here in my channel, please hit the bell on the right side here in YouTube. And the following I must read. By the way, I ask them no liability or responsibility for the content of the video. Stay healthy, your samurai. Bye. Love you.